Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can set up Vast AI. In order to do so, here we are at vast.ai, and what is Vast AI all about? Well, it's instant GPUs, transparent pricing. Deploy high-performance GPU instances in seconds and save up to 80% versus traditional clouds with 24/7 expert support. And if you're interested, you can book a demo or you can click here to get started. Let's go ahead and do so. And here you can see that we have a variety of GPUs to take advantage of, and you can rent them for a pretty reasonable cost, depending on what you're looking for. It ranges from anywhere up to $3 per hour down to like 75 cents an hour, 28 cents an hour. There's tons of GPUs here for you to choose from. So all you have to do is find the one that you're looking for, and then you can just click here where it says rent. And then from there, you're going to want to create an account to continue. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra. And if you click on our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.